Hey guys, so I just got out the shower, just finished washing my hair. I shampooed it, deep conditioned it, and yeah, I feel really fresh and clean. I got my robe on. I just have to run some errands today, so I'm just gonna take you guys with me. Well, I think the Starbucks they have in this Safeway is so aesthetically pleasing. Look at it, it's huge. It's beautiful. So we're here at Starbucks and I couldn't resist, even though I really don't need it. So let me see. I was playing a little game on here to redeem some stars. So we'll see. Y'all, I just literally left my camera at Starbucks and I didn't realize it until I was about to take it out to say, oh shoot, what is going on today? To show you guys my drink. I got a GABA white tea lemonade, and Lord Jesus, I literally left my camera at the Starbucks. Thank God I was vlogging, because I would have completely left the city that I'm in and went home. Oh my gosh. I really hate the lighting in this room, but I just got my package from Pretty Little Things. Let me see. Wish I could turn down the lighting. Oh, there it go. Oh. Let me see. Which one looks better? I feel like that's good. Okay, so I changed the lighting, but I just got my package from Pretty Little Thing. It literally came in like 2 days. I ordered something really quick. My birthday is on Thursday and I needed some shoes. Well, I didn't need some shoes, but it's my birthday, so whatever. So I ordered a couple things. I'm just going to show you guys what I ordered. This has literally never, ever happened to me. So do you guys want the good news or the bad news? I'll start with the bad news. So this is an item that I absolutely did not even order. I don't know where this came from. It's like a satin brown. It looks like it was trying to be a bustier, but I would never order something like that. But anyways, this has never happened to me, and it's just so crazy that it would happen like the last minute for my birthday. I actually ordered a belt. I actually ordered a belt and the belt didn't come. I ordered a belt. I ordered these shoes, which I love them so much. Like, I'm just basically not letting it bother me. I'm just not going to let it bother me because there's nothing I can do about it now. And my birthday is on Thursday. Today is Monday. So I probably could get them to ship me my item. And it might make it in time. I'm going to send them an email. But anyways, I ordered these shoes. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with them. I love the pointed toe. I love this. It's like a rope type of material with a clamp. I don't want to say that's a clamp, but you know, the regular sandal thing. And then I ordered this little bag, and I just think this is so freaking cute. It's like such a statement piece. It's so tiny. Let me put something next to it so you guys can see. Okay, here's a bottle of my perfume, and look how little it is. It's so small. And in the shoes, I ordered a size, it says size 6, but I'm pretty sure I ordered an 8. That might just be UK sizes because Pretty Little Things is UK based. But yeah, I think this little purse is so freaking cute. It's like a statement piece because it's so tiny and so small. I'll probably only be able to fit like my debit card and some lip gloss in here. I don't even think my phone will fit. Look at, my phone is so small. I mean, my phone is so big in comparison to this. Maybe it can fit in there. I don't think so though. I don't think it's long enough. Let me try. Nope. Nope, it can't fit. Can't fit at all. Oh well, I don't care. I love the way it looks. It's the cutest little thing ever. So I'm super excited about that. So here I am on the Pretty Little Things website, and once you send the item back, please contact us. So basically, I got on the Pretty Little Things website, and I'm just talking to their virtual assistant, trying to figure out how I can get the item returned and get the right item. Sorry that you received the wrong item. That's our bad. Return the item to us and mark clearly on the return note which item was incorrect. Once you have sent the item back, please contact us with your proof of postage and confirmation of the incorrect item, and we will refund the item for you. Do you need more help with your order? Yes, because I want to know who pays for postage. Am I responsible? How can I help you with how to return query? Where's my refund? Incorrect refund? How do? None of the above. I don't know, guys. This is so freaking frustrating, and this never happens to me. Please write a summary of your issue. I'll try to transfer you to an agent. Okay. So I end up sending them a email, and because right now, Surrey. Hey Surrey. What time is it in the UK?
It's 3:07 a.m. in London, England.
Oh my gosh, the focus. So this is the time it is right now in the United Kingdom, obviously. Focus. So this is the time it is right now in the UK. It's 3 a.m. So obviously they're not awoke or working at this time. So I sent them an email, and hopefully we can resolve this issue by Thursday and I'll be able to get what I ordered. But yeah, I'm not really that sad because stuff happens, and it's not like it's like my dress or my shoes. So at least it's something small, like, you know, a belt, even though it was a part of my outfit. I'm still not gonna fret. I'm not gonna let it bother me. So I'm just gonna get started on dinner, and I'll see you guys in the kitchen. So this is dinner. We have fried chicken made by my honey, asparagus, and homemade mashed potatoes made by me. Looks so yummy. We're about to dive in. You want to get you some water? Oh my god, I had to come and show you guys Beck's plate. Look at his food, it looks so good. He's pushing me away. Look at, this is the games that he plays. His birthmark. Look at his birthmark. Who cooked that? Who cooked that?
Not you.
Who cooked it?
Not you. So if you ever know.
get through this whole video. Thank you so much for watching. This video was so fun to me, but I watch these videos all the time and I just really love them. So that cleaning routine, I usually do like once a week. I usually like to do it on Saturday when everybody is usually out. I like to do it when I'm by myself. I play some music and I just zone out and I clean. The kitchen was already pretty much clean, so I really didn't have to clean that much in the kitchen. Babe usually cleans the kitchen, so it's always spick and span because he's like OCD with the dishes. So I'm so happy for that and so grateful for that. This was a little clean with me day in the life. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.